Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a powerful technique that involves creating visual representations of information. By organizing data visually, you can better understand and retain complex concepts. Mind maps help you see the relationships between different pieces of information, making it easier to recall and connect ideas. Here's how it works. You start with a central idea or topic and branch out into subtopics, using lines, keywords, and images to represent different concepts. This visual structure mirrors how your brain naturally processes and organizes information, making it a highly effective learning tool. For example, if you're studying a new subject, you can create a mind map with the main topic at the center and branches for key themes, important facts, and supporting details. This not only helps you understand the material better, but also makes it easier to review and recall later. Creating mind maps can also stimulate creative thinking and problem solving. By visually breaking down information, you can identify gaps in your knowledge and see new connections that you might have missed with linear notes. Let's take a look at a simple mind map example. As you can see, the main topic is at the center, with various branches representing different subtopics and details. This visual format helps you organize and retain information more effectively. Incorporating mind mapping into your study routine can significantly enhance your comprehension and memory. It's a versatile tool that can be used for brainstorming, planning, studying, and more.